Welcome to our channel. This is the second menu of the Uni series that we're going to share with you. We're making Uni Ikura Rice Bowl. We're going to prepare the rice first. Add 2 small teaspoons of salt and 3 large teaspoons of sugar, and add 5 large teaspoons of vinegar. Mix it well to make sure the salt and sugar are dissolved. Next, put 2 cups of rice in a rice cooker. You want to add slightly less water than the recommended amount. Once the rice is cooked, we'll add the vinegar mix to the rice. As you fluff the rice, add more and more vinegar mix. Once this is done, put the rice in a bowl.